Welcome back to the homestead, guys. Welcome back. Welcome to Talk About It Tuesday, where we're gonna just talk about it. You know, Talk About It Tuesday is basically just gonna be me getting in front of a camera and just kind of telling you what I think is going on in the kitchen. You know what I mean? My opinions on things going on in the world today. Won't be talking about no politics though. There's some sensitive people out there about that now. Come on. Ain't even trying to bark up that tree. Not today. Not today. But we're going to talk about, you know, future things coming up on the homestead, projects or whatnot, and some of the successes and failures, and whew, Lord, I got enough of those. You know, I make my fair share of mistakes, and hopefully by videoing it and sharing with you, I can keep you from making those same mistakes, and because I don't always learn from it. I try, but I ain't perfect by no means. One of the things I want to talk to you about today is Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. Now, they giving away a cabin. A log cabin, an oak log cabin, matter of fact. Now, I was watching a YouTube video the other night. They're one of my favorite channels, and they've inspired me to do a lot of what I'm doing, and they're all about educating and kind of giving back and teaching people this way of life. And, you know, I sure can respect that, and I appreciate it, and, you know, I'm trying to do the same thing, you know. And if I could just do my small part to kind of get people into this lifestyle and start living a better, healthier life, and you know, valuing their environment and what they put in their body, and also, you know, the way they live and how they treat the environment, you know, then if I could just do a small part of that, then I'll call this channel a success. Speaking of this channel, if you like these videos, make sure that you hit the like button and hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you can join us every Tuesday on Talk About It Tuesday. Come on. Look forward to seeing y'all every Tuesday, and would like to get y'all's comments down there on what we talk about, and get your opinion, get a good healthy conversation going on, you know, and with some like-minded people. Now, Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, now they trying to give away an oak log cabin in December. They're trying to get to 1 million subs. 1 million subs. I think they're at right at about 500,000 right now. Now, that's a pretty tall task, but I think they can do it. They're real good people, and all about giving back, and I mean, they live the true off-grid lifestyle, and I enjoy watching it. Very educational, boy. And that Doug, that Doug is funny. Now, I like him. But I want to do my small part to try to help them get there. You know, I think it's great that they're giving away a log cabin. I don't think that's ever been done before on YouTube. Now, giving away a house, I know I could use it. I'm at the beginning stages. I ain't built my house out here yet. It's coming. It's coming. So you can definitely believe I'm going to subscribe for it, but I'm going to do my part as well as try to, you know, let people know about the giveaway, and try to help them get to that 1 million subscribers out there, and to do my part. You know, I really enjoy the fact that they're all about, you know, teaching and kind of helping people learn more about this lifestyle. Now, that, you know, that's what I'm doing. So I want to do my part. So if you ain't subscribed to Doug and Stacy, Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, then make sure that you go over there and let them know that Come On Homesteading sent you now. And I appreciate that. And make sure you hit their notification bell. That way you can follow them along. They got a lot of great information. Another thing I would like to talk about today is wind stream, or what I call no stream. Yep. My internet went out the other night for about 5.5 hours. Had me madder than a 2-year-old after a circumcision. Come on. So, you know, after about 5.5 hours, it came back on, and afterwards, it was never the same. It wasn't good to start with, but it was real bad after that. So I gave it about 2 days to try to clear itself up, and it didn't. So I went ahead and called their 1-800 number. Whew. Yeah. Stayed on hold there for a while. Definitely don't have the best customer service, let me tell you. So whenever I finally got a hold of old girl, you know, I told her my problem and what was going on, and basically after about 35 minutes of talking to her, you know, she told me, I can't fix your problem. I'm going to have to escalate your ticket and send a technician out. And I was like, well, that's fine. Have them come on out, you know. And so she checked for a window of availability, and she came back and told me, I got Tuesday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Are you available? And I was like, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. That ain't no window, that's a day, you know. But I was like, well, if that's all you got, you know, I'll take it. You know, had to take off work for that one. I mean, come on, gonna lose the money. Gonna lose the money. But you need the internet. You know, I was trying to download a video the other night with the messed up internet. It took me 7.5 hours. Woo, boy, look at here, I was hot. I was hot. But what can you do? And I know you guys, you know, out there in the rural America kind of deal with the same thing I'm dealing with. There's really no good solution for internet providers out here in the country. I mean, can we get a little RSCs, PTT up in here? I mean, come on. I mean, there really isn't any good providers out here in rural America, you know. I hope they fix that. I really hope they do. But I ain't counting my chickens before they hatch. You can believe that, because I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen. So we got to deal with what we got to deal with. Yep, but old Windstream, boy, I tell you what. Then the old technician came out. I liked him. He's a good old boy. You know, he's from right up the road or whatever. He sure is a lot better than the last one they sent out here. Boy, the last one they sent out here, I almost had to set a transit up to see him move. I mean, come on. Move like a snail. Yeah, but tell me in the comments of what y'all got for internet and how's your providers. And have y'all figured out a better way out here in rural America to get better internet with better upload speed and download speed? Let me know. Let me know. I work technology for a living, and I tell you what, I don't know. So if you could help me, I sure would appreciate it. And if I come up with anything, I'll definitely make a video on it. Well, that's really all I got today. I just wanted to make a video introducing talking about Tuesday. And make sure y'all go over to Off Grid with Doug and Stacy's and hit that subscribe button and help them get to 1 million and give somebody a log cabin. Come on, now that'd be great. I tell you what, that'd be a great Christmas present. Now, come on, a log cabin. You know, from what I understand, they plan on coming on out the day that it's delivered. So how cool would that be? Now, how cool would that be? Well, I think I'm going to go on and get off here, and make sure y'all check me out on Friday for Fired Up Friday. It's where we fire up the grill and cook some good groceries and just have a good time with it. And well, I'm glad you guys joined me today, and I can't wait to see you next week. So come on, let's go home.